Hey guys, just wanted to share a quick tip with you guys. We just recently got back from a trip out, or should I say up, to Door County, Wisconsin in our new Imagine 2670 MK. It was its maiden voyage and we can't wait for the next trip. It was fantastic. But one thing that I noticed that I wanted to correct was where I plug in my shore power to my RV. That particular plug, and I believe it's right here, yeah, right here, you can see that it plugs in kind of at a right angle. And if you've ever picked up one of these 50 amp power cords, they're extremely heavy. So I could just imagine the downward pressure here on that port where you plug in at. So I picked up just a little adapter that makes the plug go at a right angle, so it looks like this. So this would plug into your RV like that, and you would have a right angle, so it would just be all the pressure would be taken off of that 50 amp cord hanging down like it is. So let's get this installed real quick. Again, I said as a real quick tip, and I'll link this guy below for you so that you can check it out. But we'll install this and then we can take a look at it to see what it looks like. All right, quick and easy installation. We've got it installed, guys, and I can already tell that it looks a whole heck of a lot better. So you can see we've got it installed right here, and that angle is right down, and then here's where they connect together. So all of that weight and that pressure that was hanging off of that plug coming off straight out of the RV is off now, and it's all just coming down here. So it's going to work out much better. I feel much more comfortable about that now, that it's not going to break that port over time. So just a quick and easy tip for you guys that you can maybe apply to your new RV. Next tip that I'm going to be coming out with here, it's not really a tip, but on our first trip I put together a toolkit of things that I took along, just in the event that we have issues, and I wanted to step you through some things that you may be interested in and maybe didn't think about on taking on your first trip. So until next time, guys, you're going to find this one here linked below, the plug that we chose, that gives you that right angle, so you can check it out if you like. And until next time, guys, I really hope you like the video. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.